Are you looking for the best 3D printer under $500? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best 3D printer under $500 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Creality Ender 3 Max Neo 3D Printer. The Creality Ender 3 Max Neo is an upgraded 3D printer designed for enhanced stability, precision, and ease of use. It features a large build volume of 300 by 300 by 320 mm, 11.8 inches by 11.8 inches by 12.6 inches, making it suitable for printing larger models or multiple parts at once. The printer is equipped with dual Z-axes for improved stability, a CR Touch auto-leveling sensor that measures and adjusts the bed at 25 points, and a full metal Bowden extruder for smooth and durable filament feeding. Its 32-bit silent mainboard ensures quiet operation, while the 4.3-inch color knob screen provides an intuitive and responsive interface. Additional features include a filament sensor that detects shortages or breaks and a resume printing function to recover from power outages. The Ender 3 Max Neo is easy to assemble in just a few steps, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced users who want reliable, high-quality 3D printing with a large print capacity. Number 2. ELEGOO MAS 4 MSLA 3D Printer. The ELEGOO MAS 4 is a high-resolution MSLA 3D printer designed for precision resin printing. It features a 7-inch 9K monochrome LCD that enables faster curing times and finer detail, supporting multiple print modes for different levels of detail and speed. The printer offers a build volume of 153 by 77.7 by 175 mm, 6.04 by 3.06 by 6.89 inches, making it suitable for detailed miniatures, prototypes, and small functional parts. With a UV resin photo curing system, it ensures high accuracy and smooth surface finishes. The MAS 4 is designed with user-friendly features, including an intuitive interface, stable Z-axis structure, and reliable resin handling, making it ideal for hobbyists and professionals seeking high-quality resin prints. Number 3. Anycubic Kobra S1 3D Printer. The Anycubic Kobra S1 is a high-speed FDM 3D printer designed for both hobbyists and professionals seeking precision and efficiency. It features a Core XY structure that reduces vibration and improves accuracy, allowing print speeds up to 600 mm per second. The printer comes with LeviQ 3.0 auto-leveling for easy bed setup and consistent first layers, and it supports a wide range of materials including PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, and ASA, with a full metal hot end capable of reaching 320 degrees Celsius. The Kobra S1 operates quietly at around 44 dB, making it suitable for home or office use, and offers a user-friendly 4.3-inch touchscreen interface along with mobile app support for remote monitoring and one-click printing. With its combination of speed, precision, multi-material capability, and intuitive controls, the Anycubic Kobra S1 is ideal for creating high-quality 3D prints efficiently. Number 4. Sovol SV04 IDEX 3D Printer. The Sovol SV04 is an independent dual extruder, IDEX, 3D printer designed for advanced users seeking high-quality multimaterial printing. It features dual direct drive metal Titan extruders, allowing for precise filament control and the ability to print with 2 different materials simultaneously. The printer boasts a generous build volume of 300 by 300 by 400 mm, accommodating larger projects. Equipped with a 32-bit silent motherboard and TMC2209 stepper drivers, it operates quietly, enhancing the user experience. The auto-leveling system ensures consistent first layers, while the dual Z-axis setup improves vertical stability. A flexible magnetic build plate facilitates easy removal of prints, and the filament sensors provide alerts for material shortages. With a print speed range of 20 to 120 ms and compatibility with various filament types, including PLA, TPU, ABS, PETG, and PVA, the Sovol SV04 is a versatile choice for complex 3D printing tasks. Number 5. Monoprice Voxel 3D Printer. The Monoprice Voxel 3D printer is a compact, fully enclosed FDM machine designed for beginners and educational environments. It features a 150 by 150 by 150 mm build volume, a heated and removable build plate, and a quick-change nozzle system that allows users to swap nozzles without tools. The printer operates quietly, making it suitable for home or classroom use. It supports 1.75 mm filament and offers a layer resolution as fine as 50 microns. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, USB flash drive, and Ethernet, and it is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Linux operating systems. The Voxel is praised for its ease of use, making it a solid choice for those new to 3D printing.